Congressman, kumusta siya ngayon? Have you spoken to him since yesterday? Dahil kahapon pumutok yung bombshell about him eh. Have you spoken to him tungkol dun sa mga new allegations against him? Na medyo seryoso yun, ha?
Medyo seryoso nga. In fact, he issued a statement kahapon.
Yes.
Sinasabi nga niya that of course, he is vehemently denying yung allegation na yun. And being a lawyer that he is, nakita natin na meron silang napansin, no, na mga inconsistencies at gaya nga ng sinabi niya, mukhang kinoach ito, no, o ika nga sinusian, o hindi kaya ay ito ay parang hindi na-rehearse ng masyado kung sino man ang naglabas sa kanya.
You're talking about
What were
Orly.
inconsistencies? Can you be more specific, Congressman?
Well, unang-una, he said that he delivered money at the residence of the former speaker. Yung bahay na tinuturo niya since January 2024 ay under renovation. Pangalawa,
but the house,
I don't know. In
sir,
that exclusive village, you won't be able to enter just like that, no? Yung sinasabi niya,
Barber,
maraming bag, maraming luggages, baka mukhang imposible. Ang tanong, sino diniliberan nitong taong ito doon sa address na sinasabi niya?
Right, but Kong, just to be very clear about this, yung house that Orly Guteza was referring to, yung 42 McKinley, he said street, but I know that to be road. It does belong to Speaker Romualdez?
Well, I believe so. I haven't been in that address, but because the speaker has not issued any denial. But sinabi nga niya na ito ay under renovation since January 2024.
Pero sir, yung
Congressman,
42 McKinley,
hindi kailangan, walang gwardiya dyan. That's the part of Forbes Park na walang gwardiya.
Yeah,
yan
merong
main road eh.
Yeah, at along the road, no? So magiging katakataka na kapag ka merong ganun karaming sasakyan na papasok doon sa isang under renovation na bahay, mukhang magtataka tayo bakit merong ganun, no? Pangalawa, kung totoo yung sinasabi ng witness na yan, sino ang pinagbigyan niya? Wala namang pong tao doon. No one is actually staying in that house except for the construction workers since January of 2024.
Pero sir, sabi nga ninyo, nobody can enter just like that. Pero my point po, sir, kasi is that 42 McKinley is not inside or facing
main road.
Forbes Park mismo or Forbes Park North. It's facing McKinley, which has free access. In other words, it's actually facing, if I remember right, it's facing San Antonio Mall. So, pwedeng pumasok, labas-pasok kahit sino doon through that entrance.
It's a thoroughfare.
Yes, it's a major thoroughfare. Yan ay labasan at pasukan ng lahat ng dumadaan ng mula EDSA hanggang BGC. No? O hindi kaya EDSA papuntang Forbes Park o hindi kaya papuntang Dasmariñas Village. So, yung nabanggit ko kanina na hindi basta-basta makapasok, yung sinabi rin itong witness na to that they went to Valle Verde with all these vehicles carrying all these luggages apparently to deliver, no, to the house of sino to, si Congressman Saldico. Medyo ang ano ko medyo incredible, no, yung kwento at medyo certain aspects of his story are actually absurd, no, na hindi ka panipaniwala. Yun nga, sa punto nga lang nung sinabi niyang dineliver dun sa McKinley, kanino siya nag-deliver dun?
Di ba si Eric Yap daw nagdala?
Well, sabi niya siya nagdala at ang trabaho lang daw niya, ang kanilang mission ay magbuhat at i-deliver ito. I-turn over daw sa mga staff, allegedly sa mga staff.
Kung nag-rehearse, sino kaya yung nag-rehearse sa kanya sa suspicion niyo?
Yun ang medyo parang kasi pilit na ibinabanggit, no, itong si speaker dun itong testimonya nitong si Guteza, no, parang rehearsed nga. That's the way he looks at it. And he never actually had second thoughts in saying pilit na pilit yung being a lawyer that he is. Alam naman niya, no, at nakikita niya kung ano yung mga ganyang klaseng mga testimonya. So,
pero sino kaya yung suspecha? Sino kaya yung suspecha niya? Congressman?
Hindi wala siyang nabanggit, no? Pero just early this morning lumalabas, no, na marami palang naging VIP security pala ito, na napakaraming personality sa politika at outside the politics. So taliwas ito do sa sinabi niya sa Senate na from I think from his previous employment, pag-retire niya sa Marines, napunta siya sa Coca-Cola and then kay Saldico. I don't know. I think hindi tugma doon sa lumalabas na employment record niya o yung assignment niya o yung detail orders na lumalabas ngayon doon sa kanyang sinasabi sa kanyang testimonya.